FirstOrigin, where every invention has a beginning. Look at the smartphone in your hand, the lights above your head, and the cars outside your window. They seem ordinary now, but there was a moment in time when these concepts were considered impossible magic. Today, we explore the origins of the world's most important creations. These are the 6 groundbreaking first inventions that built our modern world. Number 1, the first telephone. Before instant messaging, the idea of a human voice traveling across a wire was pure science fiction. In 1876, Alexander Graham Bell was experimenting with acoustic telegraphy. His first successful device, the liquid transmitter, was essentially a cone, a needle and a cup of acidic water. During an experiment, Bell accidentally spilled the acid on his pants. In a panic, he shouted into the device, "Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you." His assistant, Thomas Watson, heard the voice perfectly through the receiver in the next room. That panicked call for help was the first phone call in human history. Number 2, the first photograph. Today we take billions of photos every day in milliseconds, but the very first permanent photograph required immense patience. In 1826, French inventor Joseph Niepce coated a pewter plate with a light-sensitive chemical called bitumen of Judea. He placed it inside a camera obscura and pointed it out the window of his estate. Because the chemicals were so primitive, the camera had to sit completely still for 8 entire hours just to capture a single, blurry image of the courtyard. That single metal plate changed how humanity recorded history forever. Number 3, the first practical light bulb. Thomas Edison didn't invent the very first electric light, but he invented the first one that was actually practical for everyday use. In 1879, the biggest challenge was finding a filament, the wire inside the glass that wouldn't burn up immediately. Edison and his team tested over 6,000 different materials, including cotton, platinum, and even hair from a friend's beard. Finally, they discovered that a piece of carbonized bamboo fiber could glow brightly for over 200 hours in a vacuum. It was the moment the world finally conquered the darkness. Number 4, the first automobile. In 1886, Carl Benz patented the motor wagon, a 3-wheeled vehicle powered by a gas engine. But nobody wanted to buy it because they thought it was dangerous. That changed thanks to his wife, Bertha Benz. In 1888, without telling her husband, she took the car and her 2 teenage sons on a 65-mile road trip across Germany. When the fuel line clogged, she cleaned it with her hatpin. When a wire shorted, she insulated it with her garter. Her historic, daring road trip proved to the world that the automobile was the future of transportation. Number 5, the first airplane. For thousands of years, humans dreamed of flying like birds. In 1903, 2 bicycle mechanics from Ohio finally solved the puzzle. Orville and Wilbur Wright didn't just build an engine. They invented the complex wing warping steering system that allowed a pilot to actually control the aircraft. On a freezing, windy morning in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, Orville took the controls of the Wright Flyer. The plane lifted off the ground and flew for just 12 seconds, covering 120 feet. It was a tiny hop, but it proved that powered human flight was finally possible. Number 6, the first television. Long before flat screens, the first television was a loud, spinning mechanical contraption. In 1925, Scottish inventor John Logie Baird built a machine using bicycle lenses, string and a spinning cardboard disc to transmit moving images. To test it, he didn't use a human actor. Instead, he placed a creepy ventriloquist dummy named Stooky Bill in front of the blinding hot scanner lights. When Baird ran into the next room, he saw the blurry, flickering face of the dummy on his screen. The era of visual broadcasting had begun. From spilled acid, starting the telecommunications revolution, to a 12-second flight that led us to the stars. Every invention has a beginning. Which of these groundbreaking origins surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Hit subscribe to explore more incredible beginnings, and we will see you on the next FirstOrigin documentary.